tool. One more tool we will learn today, that is create rectangle and squares tool. Select that tool and draw a rectangle. See, when I draw the rectangle, you can see a node here. This is used for changing the shape of the rectangle. Changing the shape of the rectangle. These nodes are used for changing the shape of the rectangle, rounded rectangle. See, I'm going to draw it. It is now rounded. How will you make it as a rectangle shape? You have to change this node to this side. This is the way for drawing a rectangle using create rectangles and squares tool. Okay. So today we learn two tools, that is select and transform object tool. Another one is create rectangle and squares tool. Okay. Then the next tool we are going to learn is the second one, edit path by nodes tool. Edit path by nodes tool. I am going to draw a triangle. Yes, to give shape you have to to give color you have to select the object. The triangle is formed. Now if you want to make it as a cone, what will you do? That means you have to change the shape, the bottom side. Is it? Yes. For this, the edit path by nodes tool is used. Edit path by nodes tool is used for changing the shape of an object. Is used to changing the shape of an object. How will you change the shape? By creating nodes. By creating nodes. We will see how the shape is changed, how it is converted to a cone shape. Take the edit path by nodes tool and click at the center of the base. When I click there, a node appears, a red node, see. Click and drag downwards. Click and drag downwards. After doing this, come to the tools control bar. This is the tools control bar of what now? Edit path by nodes tool. From here you have to select make selected nodes smooth. Okay, see, it become a cone shape. Did you get? Once again, what is the use of edit path by nodes tool? It is used for changing the shape of an object. For changing the shape of an object. How will you change the shape? By creating a node. Again, tool which we have learned, create rectangles and squares tool. The next tool we are going to learn is create circles, ellipse and arcs tool. Create circles, ellipse and arcs tool. Create circles, ellipse and arcs tool. We take that tool. It is used for drawing a circle or an oval. You can see the shape, isn't it? Yes. You can change the color if you want. Using the selection tool, it is selected. Then, how will you draw a semicircle from this circle? You have to learn that. You select the circle tool. Here you can see the start and end point. Starting and ending point. See? What is written inside the start and end point? 0. Now I am going to change it. See? I have made it 180 degree. 180 degree. See, you got a semicircle. How did I change the circle to a semicircle? First you have to draw a circle. Now if I draw a circle, I will get a semicircle. How to change to a circle? In the tools control bar, you can see a circle shape. Click on that. Yes. How will you turn it to a semicircle again? See the start value and end value. Change it in the start value. Change it in the start value. Make it as 180 degree. So this is the way for drawing a semicircle from a circle. Again, if you want to draw the circle, select that, click on the circle. Okay. What are the tools we have learned? Select and transform object tool, edit path by nodes tool, create rectangles and squares, create circles, ellipse and arcs tool. We'll continue in the next class.